Please hold up with the demonstration. This sense of mountaineering.
Agency, Amotekun. Welcome.
Let me at this junction reiterate our resolve on zero tolerance to crime within the state. Through robust intelligence sharing with our security agencies as we go along in the effort to reduce the state of criminality in our environments. We will do all that is possible in line with the objectives of the agency.
As noted by the corps commandant, we are not a parallel security structure to any of the security agencies. Rather, Amotekun corps is a complementary corps. We are to complement what is on ground so that together we can achieve the goal of a safer environment conducive enough to encourage foreign investors and rid our state of all forms of crime and criminally minded elements.
Please hold on with the demonstration.